Now let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. Our objective here is to rank number one on Google, or at least in the top three. So you have to start optimizing your site at least 30 days before launch. If that's not possible, for example, you find out about the product launch 2 weeks in advance, that's fine. I've seen people start review sites 1 week before the product launch, okay? But if you want to get the best results, try to optimize your site at least 30 days before. And the most common keywords that people search for are the product name plus the review, or just the product name, or the product name plus bonus. For example, if the product name is the weight loss system, you're going to try to target the keywords the weight loss system review, or the weight loss system bonus. You could even try the weight loss system scam. But I must warn you, if you do these negative keyword campaigns, you may ruin your relationship with the vendor, and you may not get approved for future product launches, and you may even get banned as an affiliate. Okay, so you have to be very careful with negative campaigns. And you also want to create multiple high quality backlinks to your site. So remember, quality over quantity. And this can be outsourced to Fiverr. Okay, you could also buy some social signals, around 100 to 250 social signals from Fiverr. You could pay someone on Fiverr to tweet and have his tweets link back to your site. But you have to be careful not to overspend, because you don't know how much money you're going to make on your launch jacking campaigns. So try to set a budget of, say, $50 for now when you're outsourcing things on Fiverr. Okay. Moving on, you want to create a Facebook page for the product. You also want to submit articles that you've written or outsourced, so that you can get backlinks from those. You can even use PLR, or private label rights articles, and spin those using spin writing or spin rewriting software. Okay. You could also create a teaser review video on YouTube that you can link back to your site. You could also do blog commenting, social bookmarking, so that you can build a social profile for your sites. And you could also write press releases. If you can't write press releases, again, you can outsource that, but press releases can be very powerful in terms of getting your site to rank high. Okay, you could also use Web 2.0 sites to link back to your review site, and just remember, to continue looking for to do something extra to rank high on the day of, or on the days following the product launch.